Lawyer's reaction.
Linda Mathieson struggles with a shoulder issue. She went to a Peninsula vape store to purchase CBD relief gel. She left what she thought was a $5 tip.
And I pushed, I thought, which was only 2 zeros, ended up being 3 zeros. I said, wait, I want to delete this. And he said, I don't know how to delete it.
How many times have you reached out to Wells Fargo?
22 times.
Linda tried to dispute the transaction the day this all happened. After dozens of attempts to reach Wells Fargo, she says the bank did nothing.
Talked about in other videos the legal concept of a mistake, which says that if both parties understand that a mistake is being made in a transaction, that transaction is voidable. But the legal question here is whether or not this customer could actually sue Wells Fargo for this mistake. As a judge pro tem in small claims court, I have dealt with many cases having to do with banks and their customers. And fraud protection is actually a contract between the customer and the bank. So if the bank says that you have to report this within 60 days, then you must report it within 60 days of discovery of the fraud, or the bank is not going to be on the hook for paying you back. This woman claims that not only did she report it to Wells Fargo within 60 days, but she actually reported it while she was still in the store, the same day it happened. So long as she has the records to back that up, this woman actually could file a case against the bank in small claims court, asking them to enforce the fraud protection contract that she agreed to, which undoubtedly would make the bank a lot for all the damages that happen next, including the interest charges. But I'm happy to report the bank actually did end up refunding all of her money. If you think you have a case, be sure to visit IThinkIHaveACase.com.